Let's adjustable Velcro stand for the phone holder.
Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón. Bailar.
Now this should be my tripod. And the reason I got this was because I borrowed mine to someone back home, so I needed my own personal one for just one thing. This is the tripod. I like to spend money on gadgets. Which isn't a bad thing, because for me all these things are always investments into the content I want to make. Plus I'm only buying this one time in a lifetime compared to how much times I'm going to use it. Finished setting up my iPhone. The reason I didn't transfer my data was because this phone, my grandmother gave it to me when my phone last year. I dropped it and then the screen stopped working, so all her information, my information, got compiled in here, and I didn't want to transfer it over into here because a lot of the contacts in this iPhone is hers as well, and then mine's as well, and I don't want all that information in my new phone again. I've opened my new phone, which will last me 10 years. Hopefully. You just have to take care of your phone. I like to buy things that will last me a long time. Broke my headphones when I was coming back to the UK. I was like, what better time now that I can afford it to purchase it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I can barely hear myself. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm underwater for some reason when I talk. What song should we play? I think the best one is Labyrinth, Lift Off.
Bruh.
Let's go to an Ikea trip. I am so excited that we went on this Ikea trip to buy our accommodation supplies and whatnot. Honestly, I am so sad in this clip that I never continued recording because Stella said the most funniest thing.
I'll sit in the middle.
But yeah, it was a good time, good vibes. We walked around, looked at the things that we needed. And this was funny. Why? Because it took me a good courage to put down the camera to get a clip of me putting in my pillow into the basket. No, vlogging shyness is very real. But I'm so happy we went, and Stella, as you can see, had a nice time. She was very pep that day, very hyper that day, and a cute little clip of us sitting down waiting for the bus to come. Next up, we went to Wilco to buy more things for our accommodation, whatever we needed. And yet again, I got shy because when I turned around, there were people behind me, and I was like, yeah, let me get my camera. We went and got boba. After we got our little boba, we went and got our nails done, and then we went food shop. And if I remember correctly, I didn't food shop that time, Stella did. And then we headed back to her accommodation, and then I was helping her put in her disco light, and I almost fell.
Oh, I didn't see you then. My name's Danielle. I'm alive. It's crazy. 안녕!
Maybe I have to turn it on. Maybe. Ah! Not me not turning it on. Ah! 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 What? Don't know. Okay. I honestly forgot that I had this package as well. So let's open it. Yay! I know what this is. Thank you for supporting my small business. Of course. Album. It fits my pants right now. I have a lot of memories and I want to start each year. I want to make an album. And I got this one as well because you can also write other side of it, so I can put in the pictures. I'm gonna get other ones as well, but I just wanted to start with this one first and see how it is.